might, oh no, you might need a jack. You might need a jack just to give it the last look.
And this one will be good to go, so I'd love to see this get out. I'm sure the owner of it would too.
So that's good. It's looking more and more like a car every day. Just doesn't end though, piece by piece.
Every car has a story.
Nice car. Like the best thing ever.
For some, they end up here. These are just some of the stories about those who collect and restore vehicles, giving them a renewed lease on life, so that their stories can be told right here on Radical Restoration.
I think it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Oh, I think that was the best drive I've ever had in my life.
It's not about the paycheck, it's about the reaction that you get from the customer themselves.
It's such a gangster car. There's no other way to put it. It's such a gangster build.
Well, it's got some pitting and stuff, but generally it's in pretty good shape. The parts are hard to get for this car. Bill's been busy on the GTO. They're finalizing the seats, seat brackets, the consoles in, stereos in. Majority of them we put 5 speeds in. They're just a little smaller. Allows us to deal with the lack of room in the tunnel.
That's not an R8. No, and it's not a Lambo. That's American muscle.
Give it a little rev now that it's warmed up. We got coolant temp goes up to 210, then the fans kick on, it lowers down, so. Pretty cool, that's that. Success.
Beauty.
Right on, man. That's awesome. I wish this was my car, man.
Well, just about there. Moving under its own power. A couple small little things to play with here and there. A couple small tweaks. Been a long time on the go, but it's going now.
Thank you for joining us. My name's Gary Nichols. Until next time, may all your rides be radical.